Prudent News, now look at the headlines. Goa's alleged illegal mining case to be handed over to Lokayukta next week. CM clears the files. Mines Department to complete rest of the formalities. Panji roads have 100 centimeters broad potholes, roads or death traps, ask people. Blame PWD for substandard roads. Prudent's exclusive report. Marshal cars celebrate Chikalkalo on Saturday, the Mud Delight, a tradition of centuries. The chants of Jai Hari Vittal reverberate Marcel. IDC modifies land allotment guidelines, 40% space for mega industrial projects instead of 20% in each industrial estate. And Ivana Furtado not to play in age group competitions. Goa's chess prodigy plans to face tougher challenges. Grandmaster title is a target, says Ivana's father. Now news in detail. Goa government is likely to hand over the alleged illegal mining case to Lokayukta next week. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has cleared the file. Mining department will complete rest of the formalities now.
Justice Shah Commission had claimed illegal mining scam estimated to the tune of 35,000 crores in Goa. The state government and the Supreme Court have temporarily banned mining in the state. Hearing on mining matter is on in the Supreme Court. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, who is also the Mines Minister, informed that he will hand over the alleged illegal mining case to Goa Lokayukta. Files pertaining to the case has been already cleared by the Chief Minister.
Mining case आपने
Director Mines and Geology भी था मुझे करचन किरे clear होगा सगळं झालं.
Sources informed that in next week, government is likely to hand over the case to Lokayukta. Lokayukta would be asked to probe into the civil liability, including the responsibility to pay the damages which illegal mining has caused to the environment. Criminal liability of the scam is being investigated by the Anti-Corruption Bureau. During budget session, Mines Minister Manohar Parrikar had assured that cases will be filed within 3 months. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Sushant Par for Prudent.
Have you been facing troubles on the roads due to potholes? Roads in the capital city are left unattended by the officials. Commuters have blamed the PWD for the failure. The roads are in a pathetic state. Prudent surveyed the depth of some major potholes. They are measured as 10 to 13 centimeters deep and 100 centimeters broad. Potholes have exposed the substandard works by the PWD contractors. People have demanded temporary patches on the road to avoid accidents during monsoons. Mahesh Ghadi reports.
This is the condition of the roads in Santines and Mala. Prudent tried to survey how many potholes and bad roads have developed during monsoon on the roads of the capital city. Let's have a look. First, the road in Santines. These potholes are 10 centimeters deep and 48 centimeters long. People are worried. They say PWD contractors have not initiated any repair work. They have demanded government to at least pack the potholes, if not repair of the roads.
खड्डे तर 2-3 महिने आले खड्डे पडला आम्ही कितके थांबून सांगले म्युनिसिपालिटीला सांगले PWD सांगले कोणूच एक्शन घेना म्हणून आम्ही काल तो फातर घातला सगळे खड्ड्यांनी पडला ते सगळे फातर हायन घातला काल आणि तेका पळय काल 2-3 जाणी स्कूटर गाडी भितर पडले गाडी गाड्या पडटा सगळे रस्त्याक लोक वयता त्यांचे उदक पडटा सगळे खड्ड्यांनी खूप त्रास जाता लोकांक.
Now let's have a look at the roads in Mala. Look at this. People have complained that these roads were neglected during the pre-monsoon work. Now the potholes have increased. Commuters complain of damage to the vehicles. Our reporter measured depth of this pothole. It is 13 centimeters beneath and 90 centimeters by length. It was all the more surprising when a rider passed across and he couldn't lift the motorbike out of the pothole. That is when Prudent reporter reached to his rescue. What would have been a state of this rider if it was raining heavily?
एक पाटी टायर भितर वयता आनी ते खूब डेंजर आसा आनी तेका अपघात जावपाचे खूब जायते आसा चान्सेस. गाडी खूबच डॅमेज जाता, टायर पिड्यार जाता आनी बॅलन्सिंग सगळें हालता.
People claim that, despite various complaints to appropriate authorities, no action has been initiated. People have now demanded temporary solution to avoid accidents during monsoon. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
The traditional ritual of mud delight for the people in Marcel Chikalkalo was celebrated playfully on Saturday. It's play in the mud where devotees plunged to take a dip into the wet mud. People from Marcel and surrounding areas participated in the festival to the beats of drums and chanting of Jai Hari Vitthal. Some people believe that the mud to be medicinal. Here are some excerpts captured by Vivek Prabhu.
द्वादशीचा सगळे आमचे बालगोपाळ जमून आमच्या 25 देवळाक दारसाकळा कडेन थंय सगळे एकत्र जावन गजर करीत हांगा देवळान येवन दिवली सांबाळून भोंवतणी प्रदक्षिणा घालून 12 पर्यंत देवाचो नाम घोश करून प्रदक्षिणा घालता आनी ताच्या नंतर 12 जाली की आमी तांचेर तीर्थ मारता देवाचें आनी ताच्या नंतर समयींचें जें तेल आसता तें सगळें आपल्या देवा आंगार लावन त्या ग्रावंडार आमच्या देवकृष्णाच्या प्रठांगणाचेर वचून एक खेळ खेळटा.
या चिखलकाल्यात सगळे तरेचे लोक येतात, जाणे करून तरणाटे, भुरगे, ज्येष्ठ असे वयोवृद्ध सुद्धा या चिखलकाल्यात सहभागी जातात.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.